The global supply chain is fracturing, and between shipping choke points and record-breaking weather destroying crop yields, the 2026 food crisis is officially here. If you don't adjust your prepper pantry right now, you will be entirely priced out of basic calories. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, and these are 5 foods that are going to be very expensive soon. Let's go. Number 1. Beef and meat. Current 2026 agricultural data projects beef prices spiking over 12%. Lock in your protein now by stockpiling canned and freeze-dried beef before it becomes a total luxury item. Number 2. Coffee. Extreme weather has decimated crop yields across the globe, sending wholesale coffee prices surging. Stockpile whole beans or instant packs now before your morning morale booster triples in price. Number 3. Cooking oils. With global shipping lanes actively choked, importing heavy liquids like olive oil is getting incredibly costly. Secure dense cooking fats today. Number 4. Chocolate and sugar. Sugar commodities are projected to jump over 6% this year, and cocoa is becoming scarce. Stash this ultimate survival comfort food before it disappears from the shelves entirely. Number 5. Canned tomatoes. Fresh tomato prices have recently shot up nearly 40%. Whenever fresh produce skyrockets, the masses panic buy the canned alternatives. Beat the rush and build your supply today. Beat the inflation trap and stockpile these 5 foods that are going to be very expensive soon, before the masses catch on. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore survival tactics, and I'll see you next time.